Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set books page navigation to slide, curve, fast fade or scroll on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, on the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on books. Next, scroll down to the reading section and then tap on page navigation. From the list here, you could select slide, curve, fast fade or scroll. So in here, select one of the style or one of the options. So for example, if you like to use fast fade, you can select fast fade, and then when you try to navigate to the previous or next page, it will use the fast fade effect. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.